Hey YouTube, I'm Eric, and this is my channel, The Gaga Couture. Basically, I'm dedicating this channel to making pieces of Lady Gaga's outfits. If you don't know who Lady Gaga is, get out from the rock you're living under, please. Okay, I'm just kidding. Not really. Anyways, I'll be making tutorials on how to make Lady Gaga's accessories that you see her wearing in music videos, her Monster Ball tour, photos, and just pieces that I want to personally make because I think they're amazing. Amazing. And basically I'll be making hats and masks and props and anything else you might see. I want to make them super easy, affordable, as least time consuming as possible, and as close to the originals as I can, to make it easy for you guys. Not everyone's an artist. I should have mentioned I'm an art major. But yeah, that's my goal. So check back, and I have a couple of projects lined up for the coming weeks, and I hope you enjoy what I'm gonna show you guys. Thanks! Lady Gaga wearing at her... Shut the fuck up.